Hey guys, it's Michael with North End Motors. As we can see, it is a cold day out today. We're going to be showing you our winter safety kit that we have ready, prepared for you to help keep you safe during the winter months. So we have everything laid out here for you, along with our bag that we keep it all in. So we have our blanket, thick, plush, good for keeping them warm in if you were stuck for an extended period of time. Make sure you have one. A jacket as well. Remember, peelable layers are going to be your friend. You get hot, you sweat, you're going to want to take something off. Have the big jacket on top with peelable layers like a turtleneck, other clothing under it, just to keep you warm. Here are gloves, keep those hands warm naturally, as well as our ice scraper, snow brush. Clear your car off if you're stuck for a little longer. Here we have our Bridgestone safety kit for vehicles. $38. We found ours at Costco. Gonna open it up. Show you what's inside. As you can see here, we have our winter safety kit, as well as a little knife, flashlight as well, first aid kit, things to mop some stuff up as well. Here we have gloves and our hazard. You can put that there, but we are stuck. Over here we have our jumper cables. You have to start your car stuck. Someone else comes, they can help you. Get your tape as well. Good here, duct tape, keep things taped together. Just going to be able to fill up your tires with this. Just put this right in your cigarette lighter, and it'll open right up. So next, we're going to talk about cat litter, sand, shovel. These are also going to be your friend if you are stuck. Cat litter especially creates some grip. With the shovel, collapsible one, you can find them Walmart, Costco, places like that. You're able to shovel up that cat litter under your tire so you can get out of a jam. You're also going to want a pair of winter boots. We don't have those included here, but winter boots keep your feet warm naturally. So that's just a brief overview of everything you're going to want in your winter safety kit. Remember, stay in your vehicle. Stay with your vehicle. Don't go wandering off if you're stuck somewhere, a little remote place. Not a good idea. Way to get lost. They can be able to find you as well. When you are in your vehicle, make sure to run it short times, just until it's warm, to avoid that carbon monoxide buildup in the vehicle. Just a brief overview. Again, your bag, your blanket, kit of everything you're going to need. Your jacket, your gloves, and your winter and snow brush. All right, thank you guys. Remember, for more, like and subscribe for more quality content. Thank you.